Hey YouTube, I'm back. How you guys doing? What Miss Teresa gonna do for you guys today? I'm gonna do some my homemade chicken and dumplings. Family tradition, chicken and dumplings. Oh, that sounds good. Don't that sound good? Well, this is what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna do my chicken and dumplings. I'm gonna do them with some drummies. Okay, I'm gonna do them with some drummies. I ain't feel like open up. I got a big old pack of chicken breast, which I love to do it with chicken breast because, you know, it cooked and that meat just fall off and get mixed in with the chicken and dumplings. But it ain't a lot of us, so it's just me and my daughter today. So I'm gonna use these chicken drummies. And what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna wash these chicken drummies real good, okay? I just had them soaking, so we're gonna pour this water out. And we're gonna rinse these chicken drummies real good, okay? Yeah, we're gonna make sure these is rinsed, okay? Yes, okay? So this is what I'm gonna do. I really usually put just like a little bit of this onion, green onion. I take a little of these. I'll take about 2 of these. How about that? We'll take about 2 of these. Because, you know, I don't want, you know, you ain't got to have all that mixed flavor, you know what I mean, in your in your dumplings. You just want to see a good old, okay, dumplings with the meat, okay. So this is what I'm finna do. Wash this off right fast. Okay. Okay, let's put it over here. I'm gonna take this. Okay, 1 minute. Like I said, I'm gonna take these here, so you guys can see how I'm gonna chop this onion real good. But I'm, you know, let me just take that on out. But I'm gonna just take these onions right quick. Right quick. I just like to get that little flavor in them. Okay. I'll take this, throw this away. Garbage. Alrighty. Okay, so we're gonna take these here. Just gonna throw these in here with the drummies, all right? Then I'm gonna take I like a little of this seasoning. Where's my ivy? Okay, and a little of this I do. Gonna do that. A little garlic and accent salt, all right? I'm gonna pour a little garlic up in here. With some accent. Yeah, it looks like I'm a little low on this. I'm going to get some more of this. Okay. All-purpose seasoning. Yes. I'm going to throw this up in there. Some good flavor right here. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna put these back up here. I need some black pepper. Yeah, we're gonna throw a little of this black pepper in here. Yes. I'm doing this all for you. Yay. Okay, we're finna throw some water in here. One more thing. I need just a little more paprika. My paprika. Some of it. Where did they put my paprika? Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Gonna put some paprika up in here. Okay. Here we go. Gonna turn this eye on. Yay. Okay. Add just a little bit more pepper. Alrighty. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna let this chicken get to boiling. I'm gonna let it boil for a little while. You know, I want my chicken to get real tender. Where I like for mine to fall off the bone where it can just mix. Ooh, so good with the chicken and dumplings. Then I'm gonna put the dumplings going in with this chicken. So we're gonna make some homemade dumplings when I come right back. Okay? This is how it go. And I'm gonna show you how to make you some homemade dumplings from scratch. Now all we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Right when I come back. And I forgot to tell you guys, how are y'all day today? I hope it was great. I hope you guys still washing them hands, wearing them masks, because I know they're supposed to open everything up on the 26th, which I think that's stupid and dumb. You know what I'm saying? Because they still risking on it's the kids they ain't thinking about. The kids, mainly, they're not thinking about. So I look at it, I'm against it. You know, I feel that they should give us they should do out June. You know, and then I feel that I think like things should settle down, because I'm looking at, they ain't saying nothing about the numbers and went down or falling down with this coronas. So I'm still gonna stay safe. I don't care to open up on 26. Teresa's gonna be right here in her kitchen doing what she do. You heard? I ain't feeling what they're talking about. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, stay in this kitchen, keep cooking up something for you guys real good. Y'all hit them comments, tell me what you like to see Miss Teresa cook, because I'll do whatever. So I'm gonna let this chicken get to boiling. And once I feel this, you know, once it hit its point, like getting down in there, because once I start doing my homemade dumplings, making the dumplings, I have to take the dumplings and dump them in there as the chicken cooking, okay? So we gotta let the chicken be halfway cooked. Remember, you gotta let your chicken be halfway, mostly done, you know, and then you're gonna see how I start putting my dumplings, adding my dumplings in with my chicken. So we're gonna let that chicken get to boiling. And doing a little dance up in that pot for me. But I'm just saying, I'll be right back. Shut. Shut. Okay, YouTube. I'm back. Okay? Alright, my chicken drummies, I was telling you, they boiling. Smelling good too, okay? So this is what we finna do. We finna use this bowl right here. Y'all remember this back in the day? When you doing things from scratch, you need one of these. I can't find my wooden one though. Okay, so I had to borrow my sister-in-law's, but that is okay. It's gonna work. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour this flour right here. Right? About that much flour. Okay, about this much flour, you can see. Sit that right there for a moment. Set this over here. This is what I'm gonna do, which I cleaned this surface really good. So this is what we're gonna do. We'll take this flour and I'm gonna sprinkle it. Because we're doing this from scratch, okay? Take this flour. I love my chicken and dumplings, but I hate the mess, the cleanup mess. I hate the cleanup mess, but it's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. Okay, so we're gonna take this flour, set it back in this cabinet. Okay. Now this here, a bowl I told you right here. I'm gonna take a little seasoning. Okay. We're gonna throw some seasoning salt in here. Just a little seasoning salt. Cause this is what we gonna eat. Little accent salt. Okay. And we're gonna do a little garlic. And we're gonna do a little pepper. And with my other, I like to use a little, no. Oh, that other all-purpose seasoning. Where you go? No. Yes, okay. There's another all-purpose seasoning. You can use your seasoning how you like it, but this is how I like mine. I'm doing mine from scratch, and I'm gonna show you guys. Big spoon, yeah, like this. Okay, we're gonna close this up. Okay, we're gonna take this, and we're gonna like kind of stir this bowl up. Ooh, we're gonna kind of stir this up a little bit. That's okay. With the flour, okay. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna get me 2 eggs. Okay? We're gonna need 2 eggs. See, I usually be using my top shelf right here. Okay? I'm gonna put 1 egg in here. I'm gonna use 1 more egg. 2 eggs in here. Alrighty. Oh, this finna be something good. Oh. Okay. Now, I'm gonna set this right, the spoon right here. We're gonna need a hot cup of hot water. 1 hot cup of hot water. You heard? 1 cup. Just 1 cup. Okay, we're gonna put this 1 cup hot water in here. Like that. Sit that right there. Okay, so this is what I'm finna to do. And it just work my bones. Okay? But this is what we finna do. 1 minute. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Okay, I wash my hands again because you want to get down in there, okay? So we're gonna take this and you just do it in your hand like this. See how I'm doing this? If I can gather up the flour and make sure you're not gonna be like that on your hands, but that's okay. You're gonna still work it. Like, you just twisting it on in there. Twist it on in there, get all that blemish in. Okay? We want to get all this seasoning in there. Okay? And you're going to take this off. I'm going to need a little more flour in here. Because it'd be like, give you that gummy. That's okay. Alrighty. Need a little more devilish flour. I'll pour a little more in here. I need my cup, but right now I don't want this to get too gummy on me, okay? Alrighty, yeah. Okay. Now, we're gonna go back. We're gonna make this baby like we're making a pie. Dough for a pie, we making dough for dumplings. How about that? We making dough for dumplings, right? Okay, you guys. Now this is how your homemade dough's supposed to look, okay? See how it's getting up in that flour? And you make sure you get that yellow base. See when you squeeze it? See that homemade, that's the seasoning. I'm making a base with, so I'm gonna take like half of this, right? I'll take like half. I'm gonna lay it right there, okay? Put some more flour on top of that baby right there, okay? Now let me get my roller. We're gonna get this roller. We're gonna roll this. Yeah, we're gonna roll it. Yes, man. We're gonna roll it on out. Roll it on out. Okay. Take some of this flour down here. I want to make sure my sprinkles. It looks like I'm about to add some more flour in here. You take this cup and let this cup hold me some more flour in there. I'm going to keep on grabbing this big ass bag. Okay? So we're going to take this flour right here and we're going to sprinkle it like this. Sprinkle it over your dough. Like that. Stand right there. Let's get this dough back to going, okay? So we're going to roll all this on out. Yes, sir. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And I don't like no thick, gummy dumplings. Okay? So, alright. See how I got that? Spread it out there. Okay, now, let me get some of this off my hand. Whew, that's what I said about the... It's a mess, but it's worth it. Okay? We're going to take this knife, set this top over here. Well, that's because we're going to turn this pot down to about right there. Down on low. Okay? Woo, looking good. So we're going to take this dough, and I'm going to cut my dough this way. See how I got this dough cut? How I'm cutting it? Because I'm going to do it in some squares. Alrighty? Because you're doing it from scratch. So. Okay? And see the lines I made in there? I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to bring it down like that. Like I'm doing surgery. I ain't doing it on nobody, but I'm doing it on my dough. Okay, so this is what I'm finna do. Okay, I don't like no thick gummy dumplings. So make sure your dumplings flat. Okay, like this right here, it ain't straight, but you can still just throw it in the pot like that. Just throw that in the pot. You see, you just pull them because you want them thin, not hard, just real light. Not hard, just real light. See it? Just lay it in there. Just keep on doing the same thing. Drop them on in there. Lay them out. I'll show you what they look like once we get all these dumplings in there, okay? Alrighty, we're just gonna lay it on in there. Go all the way up to the top. Lay it on in there. And cut it, yes. These came out perfect. Yeah, there ain't gonna be no thick and gummy. When you come into a like, feel like that, and take the knife and go up under it. That's not hard at all. Okay? Drop it on in there. These are just sides. Scratch. I just throw them in there. Because they're going to get eat too. Okay? Make sure you want yours thin. But it's up to you. If you like it thick, you can make them thick. If you like them thin, I like mine thin. Lay it on over there. I don't like nobody thick. I don't like thick dumplings, but everybody got their own taste, their own flavor. Okay? Bam. Alrighty. See, this is a thick one. See what I'm saying? So, I'll take that. Bam. See that? Layer it out. Just smash it. And pull on it. That thins it out. And take this part. Bam. Break it. Lay it in there. Lay it in there. See this part? Put a little flour on it because I feel it. And I don't like no flat. You can roll it back down just like this. Okay? Set that over there. See? Just break it back down. Drop them on in there. Yes. Drop it on in there. It's thin. See, like I said, when you come to a little gummy type, stick it in the flour. Take the roller. You can even like, when I started making mine, and my mama taught me, I used the glass. You know I use them glasses? Yes, yes, sir. Okay, we're gonna do that right there. Throw that right there. And I used to roll with a glass, baby. When I wanted me some dumplings, I was able to get me a roller. You know? But I just re-roll. Cause you don't, I don't like no thick dumplings. So there you go. Just lay it in there. Just like, you know, like you do on apple pie. Yes, baby. And do it like that. Okay? Just keep going, girl. Keep going. Might not have to use that other one. Okay? Lay it on in there. I'm gonna like, yep. I ain't enough. Didn't get enough flour. Take this roll. Roll it on up. Down on. Come on back. Yes, baby. Yes. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yes. Okay? We're gonna take this. Cause this all the way up at the top. We still gonna do just like we did at the bottom. Okay? We're gonna bring it down like we're cutting us, doing us somebody a surgery or something. I don't wanna be looking at nobody, cutting open nobody. Okay? Yeah, we're gonna bring it to a little boil. Yes. Okay? I'm gonna keep layering it. I'm gonna keep layering it. Just like this. Okay? Too thick for me, so I'm gonna roll it on flat. Cause I like mine flat. Okay? Yes, okay. There we go. Now, that's thin. Just lay it on over there. Lay it on over there. Yes, okay. Yes, you want them to look like this. Yep. What you want your dumplings to look like, baby. Yes. I'm talking about gonna be good. Gonna be good. Okay. See, this feel a little thick to me, so I think it needs a little more rolling in the flour, okay? So, a little too thick for me. A little more rolling. That's all I'm saying, baby. Break it down if you like I do. Drop it in there. Ooh. Ooh. Putting in a little flour. With a little roll. Yes, baby. See? Drop it on in there. Don't be scared. These nothing but the crumbs. Homemade dough that's gonna taste lovely when you get done. And you see these right here? Take it. Roll it out. Roll it on out. See that right there? You can take that knife, cut it down, split it open. These are dumplings, baby. Homemade dumplings. Don't be scared to do what you gotta do. Hey. Okay. Stretch them, shake that open. Drop that one in there. Bam. Drop that like that. Okay. And grab a little more. Okay. Just do a little more. Okay. Take this flour, sprinkle a little more flour. There goes some more dough. You heard? Bam, see that dough? You just make sure you want it. Just ball it on up. Okay? Take that flour, put it on that baby. And then you just roll. Roll your boat. Gent it down this table, baby. Hey, we ain't going down no screen. We going down this road. Yes, okay. Now you see, like when you come and you see your flour stick to the roller, sprinkle it. That's all you gotta do. Sprinkle it. It'll be all right. Just bring it back. Bring it back up. Okay, and when you see them lumps, just roll like that. See the lumps in there? Roll it out. Spread it out. Because you know you want your thingy thing. Yeah, it's flat to me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And you take the knife, like I said. And see this one? We're going to bring this down the middle. See that? And we're going to go bam, 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 bam. It don't matter your sizes, because they all sizes. And they're going in the same pot. Okay? Ooh, yeah, I'll do this one. It'll be a done deal. Hey! It's all the way up at the top. Okay? Now, like I said, baby, take these, bam. Take this, shake that flour. Don't matter. Make little squares. Just drop them in there. Shake that baby like that. Oh, yes. That all came out beautiful. Okay, I'm going to drop that right there. Drop that one in there. Just keep laying them, baby, like we doing apple pie. Like an apple pie. Like an apple pie. Bam. Yeah, we're going to just keep on layering it, like I said. like an apple pie. Cause I'm doing what? I'm doing this for what? I'm doing this all for you. Yay. Yay, I'm doing it for you, babies. That right there. Get that going on in there. Oh, yeah. It's smelling good, too, you guys. Oh, it's smelling so good. Alrighty. Lay that right there. Oh. Have mercy. Dang. Okay, we're going to stretch it a little bit because, you know, Teresa don't like thick dumplings. Okay, you see, this is a thick one. You see? So I take the roller, I put a little flour down, then I take this roller and roll it out. I don't, you know, Teresa don't like, them thick dumplings. I break it down, bam, bam. Try to get that pot like that. This feels too thick to me, I'm gonna roll it out. Let's roll it out. Bam. Yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Yes, that's what it's doing. Talking to me. You start smelling that food and it's smelling like it's supposed to, then it's talking to you, baby. It's talking to you. Then you know, like, I hear you, mama. And I'm doing exactly what you told me to do. Talk to your mouth. Not to me, my mouth. Yes. Yes, baby, yes. Okay, that's a little too thick, so we're going to thin it out again. Break it in half. Yep. I'm going to take this one. Too thick for me. See what I'm saying? Too thick for me. So I take that piece, that thin piece, drop it in there, pull, bam. Shake. That's too thick. Yes. Okay, gonna take that in too. I don't like no thick. Teresa don't like no thick what? Dumplings. Okay. That's too thick. I roll it out thin. See, that's what I'm saying. That's why I like my dumplings. Ooh, you can even feel they thin. You feel weight on them. Too thick for me. Okay. That's all right, because it's thin. Take that flour, shake that flour out. Thin. See that? Thin. Bam. Drop it on in there. Okay, we got just these last little 3 pieces, you guys. And this flour. Bam. Roll it on out. Yes. Split it. And them are the little pieces that we gonna need. Roll it out. Yes. That in half. Put that right there, okay? Now, you guys, this is what we're finna do. Because I think that should be about enough dumplings. Let me set this over here. Okay. You're gonna need a can of cream of chicken. Cream of chicken. Okay? You wanna take this cream of chicken? I love this right here. Okay, we're gonna take this cream of chicken. I'm gonna drop it in there. Yes, sir. Okay, take that Yeah. Put a little water in here. And we're going to pour it in here. Okay? And we're going to let that do what it got to do. Pour like a can and a half, say. Can and a half, okay? Okay. Okay, YouTube. Now, I'm gonna sprinkle a little pepper on top of here. And I'm gonna get me a little spoon, 1 minute. Cause I like to, kind of taste my seasoning a bit. Okay. Put that right there. I'm gonna take this chicken and dump. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, you talking about finna be off the chain? We're gonna let it go. Yes, we is. Okay, now you see that there? Gonna let that go on, do what it gotta do. About right there. On medium high. Yes. Okay. I still ain't getting that. Oh, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna add just a little more seasoned salt. Okay. Excuse me. The season getting in my nose. Okay. Excuse me again. Woo. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, but it ain't no corona. It's just a sneeze y'all got. This shit right here. That's kind of got in my nose. Shouldn't have got me sneezing. Okay, we're gonna let this right here boil. I'm gonna rinse off this knife. Okay, and clean up this mess. So you guys, what I'm supposed to do, set this right here, that flour. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, ooh, I'm letting this boil. I'm gonna let this boil about, I'll say, 20 minutes, like 20, 30 minutes. Because I like my dumplings tender, okay? So you can let it boil and let it cook how you like it to cook. But, oh, excuse me again. You know how you like your chicken and dumplings, and I know I like mine. So I'm going to say I like mine's tender. So we're going to let this boil and get all that good flavor up in there and everything. And I'm doing this all for you, and I'll be right back. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Hey baby YouTubers, Miss Teresa's back, okay? I'm done with my chicken and dumplings. I did it all for you. I did it all for you. For you, hey, for you, hey. Let's see this chicken and dumplings. Okay, this is your chicken and dumplings. This is how, I don't know what's going on, but excuse me again. But these are your chicken dumplings. This is where it's supposed to be. Oh, it's just a good old flavor going on my damn nose. But at the same time, here's your chicken and dumplings. It's going to be so good. And what I would like you guys to do, again, excuse me, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and notification. Hit me on some comments. Tell me what you guys like for me to cook. I'm doing this all for you. And I'll see you guys real soon.